Well, I always start my tomato plants indoors for starts, and you can see right here that these are my beefsteak tomatoes. And I'm going to pot these into these other, these little pots here, so I'm just going to make a little hole for them in each one of these little things. And I'm just going to gently lift up the soil a little bit to break them out. Hopefully, to break them out. I don't want to leave them in this too long because the roots will start getting deep. So, as you can see, right now they're starting to root up. These are seeds that I raised last year. They popped up really quick on me. More and faster than I thought they would. And see, I don't put my tomatoes and peppers out till June because that's the last frost date. So I just go ahead and pot them up, and they'll get pretty big. They'll be probably about 1.5 feet tall by the time I'm ready to transplant them outside. I live in a 5B grow zone, so I have to start stuff inside. I thought it was 6B, but I looked it up and it was really 5B. So that was not a good thing. No wonder I had to put them out after June. Otherwise the frost will kill them. And so I'm going to pot up all these individually, and I'll have a bunch of tomatoes growing indoors in my little indoor greenhouse for approximately the next couple of months. It is, you got May, and then you still got 1st of June, usually when you plant out here. I'm growing some extra ones for plant starts for a community garden at the town. Director Jill has actually asked me to help out, so I'm going to supply them with some seeds and plants this year. So instead of just giving it to my neighbors, I'm going to be giving this stuff to the community, about 400 people. So I'm going to gently break these apart without getting the roots. And if one dies, I'll just go ahead and, start another one. So there's going to be my first start with this, and I'm going to do several more trays. I have probably going to need about 2 or 3 more of these trays to get started with. But this is what I do. This is what I do every year. I start everything inside, but they can't grow outside until June. And these will be sitting underneath grow lights approximately for, the next month and a half. And they'll get pretty big. See that one right there? I got too many in there. So these seem to be healthy. The seeds seem viable, and it was easy to do. So this is the way you get started on your garden, folks. Indoors right away. Thanks for watching.